Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a quick review, swatch, and tutorial on the Kylie Cosmetics Pressed Illuminating Powder Kylighter in the particular shade Salted Caramel, which is described as a warm mid-tone gold. Now here's the packaging. This is one of her first Kylighters she came out with. Right now, unfortunately, I do not see it individually available on their website, but I do see all the older ones available, and I do see that it is in the Kylighter bundle, which is also sold out, but I just wanted to mention that. So it is my first time using this. I've been recently using it and loving it every day. It's definitely, I find myself reaching for it all the time. But here is my tutorial, and what I do is I take my pinky finger and just kind of press it on the high points of my face first, like the tip of the nose, the bridge of the nose, the cupid's bow, and the inner corners of my eyes. I also want to mention that this Kylighter retails for $22 if they do bring it back. And they also have a bunch of new Kylighters they came out with, which I did purchase and I will be reviewing very soon. So if this is no longer available, don't worry. But then I take a brush, an angled eyeshadow brush, and then I kind of blend it out on top of the finger application just for an extra pop of color. As you can see, this is a warm mid-tone gold, just like it was described, and I absolutely love this. I've been finding myself almost using it every day. If you check out my Instagram or follow me, it is in the description box down below, but I have been using this shade in a lot of my looks. So I put it on the brow bone with a brush just for a slight kind of shine. And then I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter brush and show you what it looks like on the apples of my cheeks, or the high points of my cheeks, which is so beautiful and so amazing. And that is the reason why I've been using it a lot. It's just so perfect for a perfect glow for your skin. And I feel like I absolutely love this shade for my medium to tan olive Asian skin tone. But that's what it looks like, guys. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side just to show you up close and personal what this Kylighter looks like. It's a pressed Kylighter, so it's going to go a long way, and I'm just so impressed with this formula and this color, just everything about this salted caramel look. But that's the close-up, and I'm also going to show you what it looks like from far away. And as you can see, it looks like a perfect glow to your skin, especially my skin tone. And hope this review tutorial helped you out. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my other playlists. I do have a Kylie Cosmetics playlist in particular if you want to see what I have tried out and have been loving from her collections. But this is an oldie but goodie, and hope you enjoyed it. Bye guys.